Blender is free. Maya costs over $1,000. But here's the plot twist. Not everyone agrees on which one is better. So in 2025, which 3D software should you actually learn? Whether you're a complete beginner or dreaming of working at Pixar, this video will break down the real differences between Blender and Maya. Not just features, but which one will actually get you further, faster. And there's one thing Maya can do that Blender really struggles with, but most people don't even realize it. Stick around and you'll see why that matters. Let's start with how hard they are to learn. Blender has a more user-friendly and modern interface, especially since version 2.8, with intuitive navigation and workspace layouts tailored to different stages of 3D creation. While Blender's shortcuts and key mappings can initially be tricky, its open-source nature and vast online community provide abundant tutorials, making it easier for beginners to start and progress. Blender's all-in-one design means beginners can learn modeling, animation, and rendering within one software, though mastering advanced pipelines may require additional tools. Overall, Blender offers a gentler learning curve and is highly accessible, especially because it is free. Maya, on the other hand, features a more traditional and complex interface shaped by decades of professional use, with many menus and specialized tools that can overwhelm new users. Its learning curve is steeper, requiring significant time and dedication to master, but rewards users with powerful, precise controls suited for professional studios. Maya's interface complexity reflects its deep feature set and industry focus, making it a preferred choice for large studios and high-end animation work. However, this complexity can slow beginners and requires overcoming an initial hurdle before efficient workflows are possible. In conclusion, Blender's UI used to be terrifying, but now it's one of the most beginner-friendly tools around. Tons of free tutorials, massive community. If you Google something, chances are someone's already solved it. Maya, on the other hand, is like the serious older sibling. It's built for professional workflows, and it shows. But it also means a steeper learning curve. You'll find yourself saying, wait, what does this button do? A lot. Now let's talk strengths. Blender is insanely good for modeling, sculpting, even 2D or 3D animation. It's like an all-in-one toolbox that never asks for your credit card. But Maya, it shines when it comes to high-end animation. Think complex rigs, motion curves, and the kind of precision studios demand. Maya excels in precision and NURBS modeling, making it ideal for industries like automotive and industrial design. Its polygonal modeling tools are robust and efficient for large-scale projects. Blender offers a comprehensive, user-friendly modeling toolkit, including advanced features like procedural modeling and a wide range of modifiers. It is especially popular among indie developers and artists for its flexibility and ease of use. Here's where it gets real. If you're planning to work in film, VFX, or AAA gaming, most studios still use Maya. It's an industry standard, not because it's prettier, but because it integrates with massive pipelines. It is favored for its advanced rigging, animation, and simulation tools, as well as its robust integration with complex production pipelines. Major studios like ILM, Ubisoft, Pixar, and Blizzard rely on Maya for detailed character modeling, realistic facial animation, and large-scale asset management. For example, games like Red Dead Redemption 2 and Halo Infinite use Maya extensively for character and environment creation. Blender, by contrast, has gained significant traction among indie developers, small studios, freelancers, and educational users due to its free, open-source nature and versatility across the entire 3D pipeline: modeling, sculpting, animation, rendering. Blender is increasingly used in indie games, e.g. Hardspace, Shipbreaker, community projects, and real-time visualization or VR/AR due to its fast rendering engines, EV and cycles, and unique features like the grease pencil for hybrid 2D/3D animation. While Blender is less common in AAA productions, it is making inroads in professional pipelines and hybrid workflows, often complementing Maya rather than replacing it. Some studios mix Blender's flexibility and speed with Maya's precision and pipeline control to optimize production. From a job market perspective, Maya's skills remain more sought after in large studios and professional settings, especially for animation-heavy projects, while Blender skills are valuable for indie projects, freelancing, and smaller teams. In summary, Maya dominates large-scale professional production environments requiring precision and complex pipelines, while Blender excels in accessibility, flexibility, and is increasingly embraced by smaller teams and innovative workflows. So, what's that one thing Maya does better? Animation, layering, and motion editing. In Maya, you can tweak and layer animations with studio-level control. Blender's catching up, but it's not quite there yet. So here's the deal. Want to build a freelance career, create passion projects, or just learn 3D without spending a dime? Go Blender. Want to work at a big studio, focus on animation, or get into technical rigging? Learn Maya. But here's the twist. What if you could learn both without burning out? I've got a full roadmap coming up on how to transition from Blender to Maya without starting from scratch.